Now look student, question number 3 now. In the figure 6.18, which means this figure, if LM parallel to CB, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB and AN by AD. Let's have a look how to solve this one. This is question number 3. Student, this is the question of, this is a diagram of question number 3. Exercise 6.2 class 10 general maths. The given part is here, LM parallel to CB. So we'll write here given if LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. This is the given part, or if I remove the if from here, this is given part is this one. To prove, now to prove is what we have to prove, that AM by AB equal to AM by AB equal to AN by AD, AN by AD. This we have to prove here now. Given that LM parallel to CB, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to AD. Okay, now look student, after that how to prove this one. Now we'll start here that proof. Here proof. Student, for the proof I have drawn one rough sketch here, so that this can be easily be understandable while I am solving this question number 3. So now look here. First of all students, I am writing here that proof part. Here I will write, look here now students, look here, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, LM parallel to BC. I repeat again, in triangle ABC, LM parallel to BC. Now look here, I am writing in triangle ABC, that LM parallel to BC, Okay, now look, if LM parallel to BC, so this we can say that AM by MB and AL by LC by basic proportionality theorem. So we can say that here, therefore AM by MB equal to AL by LC. This is by basic proportionality theorem. Proportionality theorem. Okay, so this is our equation number 1. Okay, now look after that. Now in triangle ADC, now first one I have taken ABC, now triangle ADC. Here in triangle ADC, here NL parallel to CD. So here also we can say that AN by ND and AL by LC. This is also by the help of basic proportionality theorem. Now let's write now this part. Now we'll write here now, in triangle ADC, there is NL or LN, whatever, parallel to CD. So here we can look here, in triangle ADC, NL parallel to CD. So we'll write here AL by LC by AN by ND. We'll write here that AN by ND equal to AL by LC. Here also the reason is same. We will write here that by basic proportionality theorem. Now look, this is equation number 2. Now look after that. Look student, in both the cases AL by LC is common, so we'll write here now, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, AM by MB equal to AN by ND, from 1 and 2. Now look student, after that if I go for the reciprocal here, then what will happen? This is MB by AM and this is ND by AN. Here I will write by reciprocal. Now look, after that, now I will just add 1 on both the side, so mb by am plus 1 and nd by an plus 1. Now we'll go for the LCM here. So am, there is mb plus am and there is an, so nd plus an. Now look student, in the diagram, look mb, look here, mb plus am, which means ab, mb plus am, which means ab, and nd plus an, which means ad. Clear? Now look, after that we'll write that, after that we'll write here that ab by am equal to here ad by an. Now students, if I go for the reciprocal again here, so am, then here will be am by ab and an by ad. Again we'll write here by reciprocal. So this is the proof students, this is our proof already, which is given in the question. So you can write here that am by ab and an by ad, so you can write here that hence proved. This is the answer of question number 3.